Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Darshana. I love to make DIY home decors, boho theme decors, canvas paintings. So if you like all such DIY projects, do hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to always be notified of my new videos. So since that's out of the way, let's get started with today's video. So today's video is rather special because this is a makeover video, and this video is a makeover dining room video. So we are showing you the whole dining room makeover with everything from scratch to what it is now. So we did order in the chairs, the tables, the carpet, and we put together the whole space, and we wanted to keep boho vibe, but at the same time have the boho chic with minimalistic touch. So we wanted everything to be, not over the board, but at the same time have the boho chic vibe to it. So hope you like it. This is my inspirational mood board. I wanted to have some color, but at the same time keep that boho natural minimalistic look. So yeah, I went ahead and I first ordered the carpet, and this one is from Wayfair. So next I went ahead and I bought some dining chairs, and these are also from Wayfair, and these particular ones, when I bought them, it came in as a pair. So I wanted to have 6 chairs and I ordered 3 orders, which were basically 3 pairs. Everything came well packaged and all the instructions were precise, and was very easy to install these chairs as well. You just had to screw all the chairs to their legs, and that's pretty much it. Again, you'll find many variations that are similar to this chair, but what was hard for me to find was the cross design that was found on the legs of the chair. I couldn't find that anywhere else for the price that I was getting at Wayfair, so that's why I locked in my price with Wayfair for those chairs, and I absolutely love it. So the whole design was supposed to be with neutral tones, mostly brown, wood, natural, white tones, and at the same time have a little bit of liveliness to it. So maybe adding some green plants or a little bit of color, and I think that together, puts the whole space as one and doesn't look. All the chairs were done, we moved to the dining table. So the dining table was ordered from a different website, and everything else was ordered from a different website, and that was one of the biggest reasons why I was so nervous that I hope this all comes together. So the dining table was from Article. I was literally eyeing this table that I wanted, and it was expensive, so I wanted to buy some dupes from other places which might not be so expensive, but I couldn't find anything that was even close to what I liked from Article. This was my first time buying anything from Article, and I have seen people literally rave about buying furniture from Article, but the only downside about buying things from Article is they do not give you free shipping, so you have to pay for your shipping unless your total exceeds $9.99. But even with that, there is a caveat, which is if you buy multiple items and you just pay for one shipping, they will wait till all the items in the cart have, arrived at their warehouse for them to ship everything as one single shipment, which was what happened with me, because I had to wait for, I think, more than 3 weeks, just because the lamp never arrived at their warehouse. And I called in to ask, what the deal was, and why was it delivered so late, or when was it even getting delivered at that point. He said that we have the dining, it's just your lamp that has not arrived, and since you've not paid for two shipping, like your charges for shipping is just one, we would send them as one shipment rather than sending them as two different shipments. So if you're buying multiple items from article, and if you want them to arrive as soon as it's available in the warehouse, that is not possible unless you pay for shipping for every single item or buy them individually as separate orders, which sounded ridiculous to me. So yeah, but I think otherwise I am in absolute love with the table. It's heavy, it's, I think the legs are cast iron or something that's similar to that quality. It's super heavy, but at the same time, I think I love the sturdiness. The table is so heavy. I think it's oak veneer, and it's natural wood. I think everything looks just fab, and I'm totally in love with it. It was just the whole shipping and the whole weight that sounded absurd, especially if you're buying multiple items from article and you want them to arrive as soon as they can. Let me know if you like shopping from article, and if you had a similar experience or otherwise shopping from article. I would love to hear from you guys. Again, the installation was pretty straightforward. You just had to screw in the legs to the back of the dining table. If you have tile or vinyl flooring, you want to be very careful when it comes to lifting the table as well, just because everything was just so heavy. But eventually, it all came together. The chairs looked perfect, and it was just awesome.